Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something interesting might be happening to Apple iPhones and iPads, possibly. Anything running iOS at least. In Android world, we have something called sideloading. Sideloading means that you can actually disable a security feature in the settings and tell it, well, I can also get apps from outside the App Store. Right now, Apple's iPhones and iPads are locked to the App Store. And of course, this is creating friction, especially with the European Union. So the European Union has something called the Digital Markets Act, and that was passed in 2022. And basically, the law requires devices to allow third-party installation of apps. Now, the thing is that it wants devices to be able to also install them without having to go through an app store. I'm not sure that's a great idea, because if we look on the Android side, there are quite a few of these apps that could be malware driven, or sometimes apps that people want are driven by malware. So I don't know how they will maybe take a look and watch what's installed on the devices, but this is definitely going to be something interesting, because now it apparently would come starting with iOS 17 update. You would be able to sideload apps on an iOS device. So this is a huge change, because the App Store was the only way you could download any apps. What could that bring also in other ways? Because if you open up the possibility to sideload apps, could that also introduce, because that's one thing that I thought, could you introduce something that has a way to sideload and change your iPhone or iPad also? So it might not be until the end of 2023 that we would see this, but this is going to be kind of an interesting and very surprising move. But also at the same time, I think it's mostly to abide by some of the European Union rules. So sideloading of apps on iPhones and iPads, that could be coming to a device near you very soon. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.